Hello everybody and welcome to our channel Freebird Diaries. Today we are going to be doing something very interesting, and actually this is the first time we're going to do it. So as all of you who are following the channel know that we are majorly into touring, we are going to go into dirt riding for the very first time. Before this we have done trailing, but this is the first time we are going to be riding on a motocross track. So this event is actually being conducted by an organization called the Barrel Exhaust, along with a group called Beyond the Tarmac. Beyond the Tarmac is a group which has around 60 to 70 trails in Bangalore, and it's a school for trailing. So today's event is all about riding the motocross track, and more than a race or anything, they are planning to teach us on how to ride in the track. So well, this is the first time for us, and we have been told that the track is crazy and the teaching crew is even more crazier. So I guess we'll just have to go there and see how it is. After all the lockdown and all, that I'm riding with him. That's Roy, in case any of you couldn't notice, and he's on his customized Classic 350. It has been customized by the Beyond the Tarmac group themselves for riding on trails and dirt tracks. It looks pretty crazy. The bike is actually even more powerful now. I will see you in the track. Oh, can anybody look at that? The weather is actually pretty chilly today. My hands and all have started to freeze. I'm not sure if it's visible on the GoPro, but the roads and all are completely foggy. The vision is pretty low, and last night it was raining, so I'm kind of expecting the track to be wet today, which would actually make it even more fun and interesting.
Your right to sue us for any reason whatsoever. Damage on account of, oh my god. We will not do anything, promise.
You will kill us and dig us here. Everybody understood, huh?
Yeah.
You read 4 pages already?
No, I read 1 page, it's more than enough. We all understood. So
Actually, indemnify you forever. I got it.
So in the last page, last sentence is all your property is ours. So that's why it's so long.
No, we are not taking any of your property.
he says we already have enough. You take back your luggage.
choqué.